Well, hi, this is Mike Ellis with GTR, and I lead a recruiting firm. We're focused exclusively in power. We do power delivery, engineering, and leadership roles. And so today I wanted to bring to you a quick opportunity in which we're looking for a strong transmission operations engineer. This is for a Dallas, Texas-based utility that has been around for more than 75 years. This company is known for their strong and talented management team, as well as an excellent working company culture. They're looking for someone specifically who can help with developing procedures and policies for operations, can help conduct studies, and then also be involved in various equipment aspects along the transmission line. So if you or someone you know has this sort of experience and background, has a double E, has at least 7 years experience in transmission operations, willing to be located in the Dallas, Texas area, then please send your resume or referrals to mike@globaltalentnow.com. Thank you and take care.